Excellency, Mr. Matthew, darling.
Very nice
I
to
think
meet
I
you.
met you before.
We have. I think we have. This was a great meeting with the Foreign Minister on my first trip to Timor-Leste. We talked about areas for cooperation, including how Timor-Leste has just joined the WTO and is on the pathway to joining ASEAN, and what the UK can do to help Timor-Leste on both of those. And then we also talked about some other developments, like the UK has announced it's going to open an embassy in Dili, and so we talked about the progress on that, and then we discussed various other areas of cooperation between our two countries. So we're already helping Timor-Leste in a number of areas. So we have a number of programs, some to do with covering all the ASEAN member states, but we also include Timor-Leste where we can. So that's on areas like women, peace and security, and education and health and so on. And then we're also doing some help specifically on health, so around maternal health and so on, working with UNICEF and some other partners as well. When in the future we have an embassy here as well, it means we'll be able to cooperate even more closely.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Good to see you, and I hope to see more.